Hi friends, this is Dr. Apur Mehra. Conceptual orthopedics wants to go to the level next. Let us all meet the class in the class. Yes, you heard it right. We are organizing an offline clinical course on 12th, 13th, and 14th November 2021. Delhi, Shah Auditorium, Civil Lines. If you understand, COVID might have delayed understanding the clinical examination, understanding how to see the patients, understanding the clinical material. But let's not stop there. Let the delay not be the denial. Let the conceptual orthopedic legends, whom you have seen on the screen till now, give you a chance to meet them. You will be able to touch, feel, see the patients, understand the art of clinical examination, and beautifully breathe the same air as these lions do. It is classically said that if you deny anything that comes in the path of best, you very often get the best. These 3 days, which includes a trauma section, art and science of clinical examination, case presentations, mock exams, different aspects of MS and DNB exams, what is never there in the books. When they teach you this, these 3 days will set you a level up as a resident and will take you on the path which is going to be a glorious path as a clinician. This is a journey which will push you level up towards the top of the pyramid. In the course, what do we have? We will have live demonstrations. What will we have? We will have important cases and their presentations. Who will be taking these lectures, the classes, the demonstration, holding your hands and teaching you? Starting from the pioneers of orthopedics in the nation. Professor Dr. S.M. Tully, Professor Dr. Sudhir Kumar, Professor Dr. Anil Dhal, Professor Dr. Shantaram Shetty sir, Professor Dr. Gopa Kumar, Professor Dr. V.B. Bhasin, Dr. Matthew Verghese, Dr. Ravinder Dimri, Professor Vijay Kakatkar, Professor Mukund Lal, Dr. Ajit Kumar, supported by the strong faculties of the nation, Dr. Harpreet Singh, Dr. Ashish Taneja, Dr. Shailesh Pai, Dr. Raju Iswaran, Dr. Fahim Kotekar, Dr. Nauful Nahas, Dr. Rohit Prasad, Dr. Jitesh Mangwani, Dr. Anuj Jain, Dr. Maninder Singh Shah, Dr. Anuj Chawla. Always at your service, Dr. Apur Mehra. And yes, friends, we can never forget a man who with his own hands has laid down the foundations of conceptual orthopedics. Our dear Dr. Shekhar Agarwal sir. He might not be physically present in the class, but we are sure his blessings from the heaven will shine on all of us as teachers and as students. Surely, one of the family members of Sir will be representing him during the course. Trust me, if you really want to do something great, be a part of this carnival. we are going to give you a great academic feast. Coming on, how to take the seat. The bookings will start on the Teachers' Day, 5th September 2021.